In this video, I'll show you how to speed up and slow down the video in iMovie. So first of all, let's go and drag and drop our video clips that we want to use here. After I brought these videos, I'll just choose the videos and I'll just choose the video clips and I'll go to this menu. You will see that this is a speed function. When you click, you will see that there are certain options, so normal, slow, fast, freeze, and custom. I'll choose the fast, and it will give you the options: make it twice faster, or 4 times, or even more. But if you want, you can make it also custom. So for example, I don't want it to be twice or 4 times. I want it to be maybe 300% faster. Now, after you did it, you will see that your clip is shorter. I'll do the same. I'll click to this watch icon and I'll choose the fast one and I'll choose 4 times. Here I have a clip mixing the eggs, so I wanted to make it slower. So I'll go to this menu again, and instead of fast, I'll just choose slow. And here you will have options to make it even more slow, or maybe just like this. And let's watch the video.